welcome to All About. Today we're going to talk about R35. It is one of the middle reds. I use it often, but always like a middle between either R37 or R39 are going to be my darkest. For the family combination, we are using R30. So that's going to give us a very light pink um, swatching. For the bonus combination, we are using an orange, which is an YR. My intention was to give you a very light pinkish orangey color. That did not happen. It's gonna be intense. I also found only one Prismacolor pencil combination. I'm Elena with violetaink.com, and we sell Copic markers, refills, and the nibs. Thank you. We are starting with R35. I can say it's one of my favorite because I use it so much. You can even see it in my nib. It's kind of like bending a lot. That's because I need to change it. So we started with R35, R32, and in my mind it wasn't blending very well. So I decided to go back and forth for a little bit. And this is R30. Now R30, I mean, it is from the red dye. That's why it's in the R family. But it's like a peach kind of color. This is BO1. We are flicking away from the edge. This is R35 on top of it. It covers it perfectly. I love this combination. Then this is R32, which again is not blending very well. And this is R30. The next one, the bonus combination, while I do this, it's going to be on the orange. So you might think, well, but that is not a red combination. Well, it is. It's giving it more intensity at the beginning. And that's something else that you can do with your markers. Let's say you only have YR07 and YR04, but you want the three markers to do the blending. It looks better. You can use this red, R35. Well, first we use VO1, and then R35, YR07, and YR04. We can see the intensity of the R35, but can we really see a red under there? Nah, not really. It's more on the orange. So that's how you would use a red to complement your YR markers. Prismacolor pencil match is PC926 Carmine Red. We have so many reds in the Prismacolor pencil line, but many are either cool reds or warm reds or really intense, and this one is like in the middle. I love this one. You can't go very hard with the pencil. You have to go in layers like I'm doing here. You can do 1, 2, 3, quite a few layers.
we started with the butterfly, the natural family combination. That was R35, R32, and R30. We did not underpaint the top left wing. Now we're underpainting with B01. This is R35 on top. Remember that you have to go a little bit longer than the underpaint. The underpainting marker, which is B01, is specifically chosen for R35. It's not for R32. That means that you have to cover all of B01 with R35 because R32 is not strong enough. Then you're going to be able to see the flicks on the bottom. If that's what you like, if you're doing some flowers and you want it to look flicky, then great. Then you can do that. That's another technique you learn. But if not, then we need to make sure that it blends completely. This is the bonus combination. This is R35 and then YR07 on top of it. A little bit slower. Remember the speeds. B01, which is the underpainting, the fastest. Then R35, a little bit slower. YR07, slower. And then the slowest is going to be your lightest marker, YR04, in this combination. Now we're going on top of it with YR04. Now I know this one is going to blend very well. I'm going on top of it a few times. I do not know why, because I know it will blend. They're close together. They're really good match. It's just, I'm used to it, I guess. I keep forgetting that I don't have to. If you choose them properly, you will have a combination that blends great. So that was V01, R35. We're going with YR07 and YR04. Now on the top right in the corner, you can see a little butterfly. That's the butterfly that Michelle Houghton did for us, so I could do the graphics for this class, for this all about. So I will put the link in the description box. All about R35, the natural family combination is R35, R32, and R30. We're underpainting with B01, and the bonus combination is R35, YR07, and YR04. Thank you, and I will see you next week. Bye!